How to enable or disable app icon badges during Do Not Disturb on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here, so click on Settings App. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Notifications. You will see notification is here, so click on Notifications. Now here, so click on scroll down and click on Do Not Disturb. So after click on Do Not Disturb, scroll down and click on Hide Notifications. So after click on Hide Notification, you will see Hide App Icon Badges is here. So if you want to enable App Icon Badges, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see Hide App Icon Badges is enabled. So if you want to disable Hide App Icon Badges, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see Hide App Icon Badges is disabled. So you will enable or disable Hide App Icon Badges from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable hide app icon badges during Do Not Disturb on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.